MetaTrader 4 offers a range of indicators and add-ons that can be used to customize your trading experience, as well as expert advisors that can automate your trading. When you trade on MT4 with IG, you'll get a set of the most popular plugins for free, as well as the Autochartist package, which can help you find trading opportunities. Let's take a look at each in turn. First, indicators. Powerful technical analysis tools that can help you identify market trends and predict future price movements. You'll get 6 free indicators with IG, enabling you to draw directly on charts, overlay your previous orders, use pivot points and alerts to gauge market movements, and much, much more. Next, our 12 free add-ons, which enable you to customize the MT4 platform to better suit your individual trading needs. Among other things, they can enable you to control all of your trades from a single window, adapt the deal ticket, keep your trades anonymous, and manage risk. Third, Autochartist, a powerful pattern recognition tool. Autochartist monitors the markets on your behalf, finding opportunities based on support and resistance levels. It does this 24 hours a day and gives you price alerts whenever a new opportunity presents itself. Finally, expert advisors. These are effectively trading robots that enable you to automate your trading, a key draw of the MT4 platform. You'll get 2 pre-installed expert advisors when you download IG's MT4, MACD sample, and moving average. To learn more about MT4 and its features, subscribe to IG today.